My herb garden just came in. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isary. We are going to make an herb garden in honor of spring and planting some basil and rosemary that I have. I'm overdue for this, so let's get building. If you find this video helpful or if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the first time I've ever built an herb garden, and I was really excited because I love plants first and foremost, and I felt like it was going to help inspire and motivate me to cook more meal preps while experimenting with these fresh herbs. Building the herb bed was a bit of a process, but once I finished putting it together using a drill, I had to use a screwdriver to completely tighten all the screws since it was still very wobbly. Overall, I was really happy with the end result and excited to take advantage of the season of spring and do some gardening the following day. Okay, the herb bed is pretty much ready to go. I just need to input these, I don't know what you call these exactly, but each one is gonna go into each of the squares, and I only have 2 herbs, so I'm gonna have to buy a few other ones because it's a total of 8. I'm gonna show you guys kind of my balcony. This is the space I have to work with. It's kind of a mess at the moment, but as you can see, I'm going to save the hammock today, and let me see if I can show you guys. This is my old herb plant holder. It's a mess. There is a lot of dead plants here that I need to clean out and just get rid of all this soil and make it just so much cuter. Also, this one's super old, and as you can tell, it's already like rusting, so that is why I have the new one. In order to make space, I'm gonna have to get rid or move my hammock. So let's clean my space. And Barbosa says hi. Hi, baby. And then Winston, you wanna say hi, baby? Winston says hi too. The first step before I was able to put my herb garden outside was to clean out my balcony by removing my hammock and sweeping up the balcony in order to make more space. I feel like spring is the perfect time to declutter, organize, get rid of things that no longer serve you, and cleanse the space of unwanted bugs because I am not a fan of spiders at all. Excuse my messy apartment. I just got off work and I just realized I need a few more plants for my herb garden. Come with me to Home Depot to go get some more plants. Guys, we made it to the garden center. Go find some plants. Right away when I got to Home Depot, I saw these gorgeous lavender plants and they were only $10, so I had to get one. I also got some soil so that I can repot my plants and use it for the herb garden. Once I went inside, I was honestly so happy to be surrounded by so many plants, and I got really excited, so I got this little clip for you guys just to give you some inspo. Oh yeah, and I found some ladybugs, which are supposed to be good for pest control. Overall, my favorite part of my little trip to Home Depot was the amount of herbs that they had here. They had so many options to choose from, and it was inspiring to see what kind of dishes I could potentially make with these certain ingredients and herbs. I definitely ended up getting more plants than I needed, but I was so happy and literally radiating with excitement. I was also tempted to buy this hat, but I ended up not taking it because your girl's trying to save and be smart about finances this year. I also ran into this gorgeous palm plant that I've been wanting forever for my bedroom, so definitely something I'm gonna save up for. I love the tropical vibes it was giving. Let's do some gardening together. The following day after Home Depot, I was ready to plant my herbs into my herb garden. As you can see here, I had gotten some curled parsley, some basil, peppermint for mocktails and cocktails, garden sage, which smelled amazing, rosemary, which also smelled amazing, cilantro, for the salsas, and lemon thyme, which smelled like lemons. Got my gardening tools, and to start off, opened up the bag of soil and gently pressed/squeezed the outside of the pot to get each of the herbs outside of their plastic container and into the garden bed. And so I started applying soil to each of the pockets and gently pressing around each plant. Since the theme of this vlog is gardening and growth, I figured it'd be nice to kind of add and implement some affirmations for those of you who would like to garden and multitask by speaking into existence everything that you want to attract into your life, the mindset, the positive thought patterns that will reach your subconscious through repetition, as well as help you refocus your attention to what's important to you while holding space for the growth you have already achieved this year. So feel free to repeat the following statements with me or after me. In honor of spring, I am growing. I am evolving. I am radiating. I am planting the seeds to my future harvest. I am cultivating the habits that I want in my life. I am planting the seeds to cultivate my dream life. I am manifesting all of my desires. I am focused. I am surrounded by good, grounding energy. I am surrounded by abundance. I am surrounded by nature and plants. I am surrounded by many forms of life. I'm surrounded by abundance and things that nourish me. I am ever growing. I am eating healthy. I am exercising. I am taking care of my mental health. I am getting involved with mindful activities such as gardening. I am sharing my good energy with the world. I am creating positive thought patterns and ways of being. I am cultivating a positive mindset. I am cultivating all of my desires. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. I am outgrowing old ways of thinking. I am outgrowing old habits. I am outgrowing old spaces. I am outgrowing things that no longer serve me. I release stress and anxiety. I focus on what I can control, and I release everything that is outside of my control. I focus on my growth. I honor my growth. I cheer myself on. I'm grateful for the challenging experiences that pushed me to grow. I take moments to acknowledge my accomplishments. I am on top of my life goals. I am attracting everything that I desire. I am working hard each and every day. I am thriving and living my life to the fullest. I move gracefully and calmly through my day. I am intelligent and reflect that intelligence onto my work. I am doing so good. I am doing my best. I am developing multiple skills at the same time. I am watering the areas in my life that I want to grow. I am cultivating new relationships with the people around me. I am attracting love and abundance. I am loved and supported. I'm going to show you guys the final result. We have our peppermint here for our mojitos, cilantro for the salsas, lemon thyme. I've never cooked with this, but I'm thinking I could top or use it to top off chicken next time I meal prep. It smells amazing. Then we have some curled parsley, which I also have not really cooked with yet, so this will be an area of growth and experimentation. And then I hope this actually works. Citronella, because I am not a fan of mosquitoes. And then we have our garden sage, because my sage died like a year ago or 2 ago. Finally, we have basil, which is going to be amazing to cook with pastas and make some pizzas. And then finally, we have rosemary, which I think I could use for like meal prepping as well and cooking chicken. But overall, I am beyond ecstatic to have my own herb garden, and I'm so excited to see what kind of culinary inspirations will come from this. But thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys at my next video.